All right, welcome back to another episode of myself, Luke. So I hope you're having a fantastic day wherever you are. So yes, Bitcoin has broken out of this symmetrical triangle pattern that we spoke about yesterday in my episode. So if you saw my video yesterday lunchtime, then you know exactly what I spoke about and this trade setup. So congratulations if you took this trade. So like yesterday, I did say I wasn't going to take this trade even if we pumped up. I'm waiting for 2 price points. So we're going to go over that in just a second, and also what this means and what it could mean for the summer, and then going into the rest of this year. So there's an amazing price target that I'm going to talk about for this summer. So stay tuned to the very end. Make sure to slap up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also the bell notification so that you can be notified when I release my videos. My videos are released like almost every day. At the moment they're a bit all over the place in terms of the time. I don't have a consistent time when I do it. It's just when I can do it. So most of the time it's over my lunch period while I'm at work. So yeah, so yesterday we spoke about this. We also spoke about the Bollinger Bands squeezing up. They were tightening up, indicating there was going to be a big move. I released my video 2-3 hours after when I finished teaching. Then we had this move to the upside where we came all the way. So this was, I think in my video we were around these points of like 69k, and then we've come all the way up to just over 71,000 US dollars yesterday. And then today we came all the way up to 71,400, and right now we're getting rejected. And what's interesting is that was our previous highs just here back in May, middle of May, and so we're just getting rejected off it at this moment. So could we be having a pullback, maybe a retest of this resistance, well now support, and then could we be doing something like we come down, we test it, and then we bounce back up and go to that point, that price point of 73,000 and a half US dollars. So again, congratulations if you jumped into this trade. You're up about 2%. So the top of this is about 5-6%. So if you're using leverage, then if you're using a 10x and you make 6%, then it's 60%. You've got my Bitflex and Bybit in the description below, so you've got the links there. So this is fantastic. Looking at this, just be careful. If you're not in a trade right now, then maybe don't start chasing the market, jumping into a trade now. Again, what I say is not financial advice. If you want a financial advisor, seek one out. What I say is just for educational purposes only, and do your own research, okay? So let's imagine this plays out. The big thing is, the question is, are we going to go to 73,500? Because the red line, the resistance right here, is our all-time high. Let's just go back. Maybe I just brought it down. So our all-time high is actually just below it, 73,800. I've just brought this down a notch to the candle wicks here, or candlesticks just there, back in March 14th and 13th. So we are, if we do come up to this level, then we're going to hit some key resistance. Are we going to push and break straight through it? Well, that remains to be seen. Two scenarios is we hit it, we get rejected off it, we come back down and retest around the 71,000. So this could end up turning into support, the 71,500, and then we blast off above it, or we get rejected and come hurtling back down. So that's the second option. There's actually a third one, which we're going to go over in just a second. Just going over to the CoinMarketCap, the Fear and Greed Index, we're still sitting around 65%. I mean, this fluctuates quite fast. I don't know if some people like to use this as an indicator to jump into trades. I just look at it in terms of when to sell, especially altcoins, because as soon as this goes maximum greed, then normally I've done a 3, 5, 6x on some coins, and then I'll just move it over into Bitcoin, ready for that that pullback or that dump, because altcoins, they do suffer a lot. So it's always nice indicator, the Fear and Greed Index, to see where we are. Right now it's okay. If you're in altcoins, don't panic. We'll probably go a lot higher with altcoins as Bitcoin continues to pump. If Bitcoin continues to pump like this, I don't know what the dominance is right now, I should have checked that out, probably sitting around 53, 54%. But if that comes hurtling down, then we can expect an altcoin rally or an altcoin season. So going into the summer, what could we see with Bitcoin? The third option would be we break past this, we hit that price point of 73,600, then we're back at the last all-time high, and then go into July. What we could see, I've noticed this on another episode on somebody else's channel. There is a huge bull flag. Let's see if it's on the weekly is a bit better, I think. Yeah, so we've got this bull flag here. You can clearly see it's not going to be the best drawing ever. There we go, look. Let's just zoom in slightly. There we go. So we've got this bull flag, you can clearly see this, and the price point, I believe, was all the way up to 90k or something, 86,000. Yeah, some crypto YouTubers are pointing to a plus 90. This is just a quick, not the best bull flag I've ever done, but you get the idea. So basically, we've got this huge bull flag that has formed, and we're getting this breakout to the upside. So what would be interesting is to see if this is broken. Then we come July, August, we could easily see, I should say, coming back up to 80 for the first time ever, coming to around the 85, 90k. I don't think in the summer we're going to go to 100,000. I think that's too soon. But that 85k to 90k looks very promising. But for that to happen, we need to break out of that. You see the red line on my screen. That's going to be huge resistance. If we break past that with a lot of volume, then I could see us in a blink of an eye go from 74,000 straight up to 85, 90k in a matter of days or a couple of weeks. So that's going to be interesting to see that. So that would be, if we break from there up to 90k, that's a nice 20% move. And again, you've got the links to Bitflex and Bybit in the bottom if you want to trade this. So I'm waiting for that. I'm just waiting to see if we get a clear breakout with sufficient volume to jump into a swing long position. If not, again, the other possibility, I don't want to be bearish, but I have to give you options. There is that possibility that this is a double top and we come back down and retest that 60,000 level. So we could be forming that double top. So just to be realistic, so again, just be cautious especially as we get to that key resistance. So that's pretty much it for today. Let me know in the comments below where you think Bitcoin is heading to. I think this summer the possibility is 85, 90k in the summer, but I could be wrong. We could be forming that double top, so I just want to be objective as well, and we could be coming down here. So if you're going to take anything from this, just wait for the breakout. Don't trade. Like yesterday, in my video yesterday, I mentioned it yesterday. If we go back to the daily, I did say in the video, and I usually say this, like that, wait for the breakout. So you can go and check out yesterday's video. I said wait for the breakout. As soon as we get the breakout, you jump into a trade. It's as simple as that, okay? So, and the breakdown as well. If we broke this, then you can put in a short position, and there we go. So don't chase the market. Let the market come to you. Wait for breakouts and be reactive to the breakouts, and that's exactly what some of you might have done. Let me know in the comments and should have done here. So congratulations if you took this, if you watched my video yesterday. And yeah, so it's going to be exciting summer. Hopefully we get an altcoin season as well in the summer. It'll be fantastic to see AI or any other, even meme coins and whatever altcoins just to pop in the summer. It's all good for the space. So let me know what coins you're interested in. I'm going to try and do a few more videos maybe next week in AI and gaming like I've done in the past couple of episodes. And if there's any gaming coins or AI coins that I haven't spoken about in previous episodes, let me know in the comment section below. So thanks guys and girls for sticking to the end. Again, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time with another video. Bye bye.